Student diversity is a common feature in every school. Students, parents, and teachers come from different backgrounds and have a different experiences, opinion, abilities, and ways of thinking. This difference can always influence how people learn, communicate, and interact with one another. So today, we will discuss several aspects of student diversity, including the differences we can observe in school, the benefits and challenges of diversity, and how schools can create an environment where everyone feels respected and included. Through this discussion, we hope to gain a better understanding of how diversity contributes to a positive learning experience for everyone. To begin, let's talk about whether people in schools are different from one another and what kinds of differences can be seen.
I believe people in schools are definitely different from one another. Every individual has their own personalities, interests, strengths, and experience. Some students may learn quickly, while others need more time and support. Teachers also have different teaching styles, and parents may have different expectations for their children's education. Some differences that we commonly notice include cultural background, learning abilities, communication styles, and personal interests. These differences make each person unique. Instead of viewing these differences negatively, I think they should be appreciated because they help create a richer and more interesting school environment. Having different perspectives can also encourage people to learn from one another and develop a greater understanding of others.
I think it is beneficial to have people from different backgrounds in the same school. Diversity allows students to be exposed to different cultures, ideas, and experience, and they might not encounter otherwise. When a student interact with people who are different from them, they learn important values such as respect, empathy, and cooperation. These skills are useful not only in schools but also in everyday life. A diverse school environment also encourages students to become more open-minded instead of only seeing things from their own perspective. They learn to appreciate different viewpoints and experience. This can help build stronger relationship and more supportive school community.
When discussing diversity, it is also important to consider learning experiences. To me, a good learning experience is one where students feel comfortable, engaged, and motivated to participate in class. Different students learn in different ways, so teachers should use a variety of learning activities. For example, group discussion, presentations, games, projects, hands-on activities can help students understand lessons more effectively. These activities encourage active participation and allow students to learn from one another. When students are involved in meaningful learning experiences, they are more likely to enjoy learning and remember what they have learned.
Although diversity offers many benefits, it can also create some challenges. People from different backgrounds may have different opinions, beliefs, or ways of communicating. Sometimes, these differences can lead to misunderstandings or disagreements. However, these challenges can be overcome when people respect one another and communicate openly. Students, parents, and teachers all have a role to play in creating a respectful environment. For example, students should be kind and accepting towards their classmates. Parents can teach their children to appreciate differences, while teachers can encourage inclusive practices in the classroom. Respecting one another's differences helps create a positive atmosphere where everyone feels valued.
In conclusion, student diversity is an important part of every school community. Although people may differ in their background, abilities, experiences, and opinion, these differences can bring many benefits when they are respected and appreciated. Schools can support diversity by promoting inclusion, encourage a positive relationship, and providing equal opportunities to everyone. By working together, students, parents, and teachers can create a learning environment where everyone feels welcome, comfortable, and supported. Ultimately, diversity should be viewed as a strength because it helps people learn from one another and contributes to a more meaningful experience.